Once upon a time, there was a man who was not very practicing. However, he has changed his mind to start practicing his religion again. So this man came in for Fajr Salah, and the Imam was reciting Surah Al-Baqarah in the prayer. And at the end of the Salah, he looked at the man next to him, nudged him. He says, "This Imam read very long. Which surah did he read?" So he says, "It is called Surah Al-Baqarah, which means the cow, and it is the longest surah in the Quran." So he said, "Okay, now I must ask before I start my salah, which surah is being read?" So Al-Baqarah was very long. So now he came for Salatul Maghrib, the poor fellow, and he started Allahu Akbar, and the prayer started Allahu Akbar. So Imam finished the Surah Fatiha and he starts Surah Fil. So this guy, he nudges the other one and he says, "You know what, before you start, what surah is this?" He says, "This is Surah Al-Fil, which means the elephant." So that man says, "If Surah Baqarah was so long, then I'm sure Fil must be even longer. Let me go away." So then the other man, he said, "No, this is one of the shortest surah in this Quran." So the reason of sharing this story with you, my brothers and sisters, is that we have not yet made an effort to know the surahs and their meanings. Because of that, we are unable to taste the sweetness of our salah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us the ability to make an effort to know the surahs and their meaning and to taste the sweetness of salah. That's for today. See you next time.